we will discuss about lifespan. And what lifespan is? Jeevan Kal, which is a period from birth to natural death. Here we will not say it's accidental death, only natural death. Lifespan is the period from birth to natural death, and it is also life expectancy, which is a statistical measure of average time an organism is expected to live. Statistical measure of average time. We will take average, mean time. Average time of an organism expected to live, which is based on its birth year, current age and gender. And if we divide lifespan, then we classify into 4 phases. First is juvenility. Juvenility is the phase when reproductive changes are taking place or reproductive changes are going on inside the body, and you can say that it is the period from birth until the organism become reproductive mature. Then in this phase the organism is known as juvenile. Next phase is maturity. Maturity is the phase when an organism actually becomes capable to reproduce. At this certain age, an organism can reproduce, or the organism is reproductive mature. Now next is aging and senescence. These two phases we will discuss together. Aging is the stage when deteriorative changes, or you can say degenerative changes starts accumulating inside the body. And senescence. Senescence is the phase when these degenerative changes can't be cured. So you can say that senescence is the stage when terminal, irreversible, which can't be cured, that means they are irreversible changes. So terminal irreversible changes start accumulating in the body, or senescence is the stage of terminal irreversible degenerative changes. And final is death. What death is? When all vital activities stop inside the human body, or when every activity stops, then that final stage is death. If we take lifespan of few organisms, or you can say that lifespan can be from few hours or few minutes to several thousand years. So if we take few examples, then lifespan of rose is 5 to 7 years. Of rice plant is 3 to 4 months. Mayfly only 1 day. Butterfly 1 to 2 weeks. Horse 60 years. Tortoise 100 to 150 years. And crow only 15 years. Parrot 140 years. Banyan tree 200 to 300 years. And peepal tree 2000 to 3000 years. So these are lifespan of few of the organisms or few plants also. And from here we can conclude one thing, that lifespan should not be correlated with size. If we take an example, then crow and parrot, These two are of same size, but there is a great variability in their lifespan. Crow only lives for 15 years, whereas parrot live for 140 years. If we take one more example, then there is banyan and peepal tree, and you can see the huge difference in their lifespan. Banyan tree lives for 200 to 300 years, whereas people live for 200 to 2000 to 3000 years. Okay, and whatever the lifespan is, either it is 5 to 7 years, 1 to 2 weeks, or only one day, death of every organism is certain. Death is must, but there can be exception, and that exception is unicellular organism such as amoeba, or you can say euglena. So these are the unicellular organisms which are immortal. They do not die, and the reason for this we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.